Have you ever skimmed a headline that shouts, "groundbreaking study proves," and wondered, okay, but what exactly did they find? Let's unpack what researchers really mean by research findings. Research findings are the concrete results or conclusions that come out of a study, such as the numbers crunched, interviews analysed, or patterns revealed. They are the evidence researchers place on the table, whether that evidence is numerical, descriptive, or a mix of both. So why does this matter? It's because these findings power the great knowledge engine. Peer review filters out the flaky stuff, leaving insights sturdy enough to build on. But remember, findings are context specific. What's true for a Perth preschool might not hold in a Paris high-rise. And here's the fun part, they're always open to interpretation. Different lenses, theories, or even cultural viewpoints can colour what we think the data is saying. Let's look at a practical example. Picture a clinical trial showing a new asthma inhaler that cuts hospital visits by 30%. That percentage is the finding. When regulators approve the device, hospitals stock it, and patients breathe easier, that's impact. Same origin, two very different stories. Think of findings as the spark and impact as the bonfire they can ignite. No findings, no fire, but without fanning those sparks, collaborating, translating, scaling, there's no blaze. If you found this description of research findings helpful, please share this video. For more information on all things research impact, you can visit our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Tuesday.